Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best Bissell Crosswave Plus Cordless is probably one of the most versatile and powerful cleaning tools available for modern homes, effortlessly tackling everything from everyday spills and pet messes to stubborn grime on multiple floor types, making it an indispensable asset for anyone seeking a truly deep clean without the hassle of cords. Number 5. Bissell Little Green 1400B Portable Cleaner. Join over 7 million households who trust us for their cleaning needs. We are America's #1 brand in portable deep cleaning. Tired of stubborn messes and stains? Our scientifically proven formula lifts and removes over 100 common messes and stains, taking the stress out of cleaning. Experience the power of our triple action formula. It permanently removes stains and eliminates odors, leaving your surfaces looking and smelling like new. Clean more without interruption thanks to the large capacity clean water tank. You can tackle bigger cleaning jobs with ease. Cleaning is simple with our easy spray, scrub, and suction method. It's an effective way to deal with tough stains. Don't just cover up messes with paper towels. Our cleaner gets deep beneath the surface to truly remove stains and odors. Feel good about your purchase. Every unit sold helps support the Bissell Pet Foundation in its mission to save homeless pets. What we like? This is America's #1 portable deep cleaner. If you're looking for a compact solution to tackle everyday spills and stains, this is it. It's perfect for quick cleanups and for those who want to support a good cause with every purchase. What people say. Powerful suction that handles both hardwood floors and low-pile carpets with ease. Effective pet hair pickup on fabric and upholstery, thanks to well-designed brushes and strong suction. Multiple cleaning modes or attachments make quick work of hidden corners, stairs, and furniture. Number 4. Bissell Crosswave Pet Pro 2306A. Tired of cleaning your floors multiple times? This powerful machine vacuums up wet and dry messes while mopping tough stains simultaneously. You can clean your floors faster and more efficiently than ever before. This cleaner is specifically designed for pet owners. It powerfully tackles pet hair and odors with a tangle-free brush and a specialized pet solution to remove stains and leave your home smelling fresh. No matter the floor type, this versatile cleaner has you covered. It safely cleans all hard floors like tile, wood, and vinyl, as well as area rugs. It's the one machine you need for your entire home. Experience a truly hygienic clean with its innovative dual-tank system. It keeps fresh cleaning solution and dirty water separate, preventing cross-contamination for a healthier home environment. This value bundle includes everything you need: a tangle-free roller brush, 2 bottles of specialized pet solution, and a self-cleaning tray. Plus, every purchase helps save homeless pets. What we like? This machine vacuums and mops simultaneously, making floor cleaning faster. If you have pets and are tired of hair tangles and odors, its specialized design is a game changer. The dual-tank system ensures a hygienic clean every time. What people say. The Bissell Crosswave Plus Cordless is a game-changer for pet owners. It tackles pet messes with ease, from muddy paw prints to spilled kibble. The cordless design offers great freedom of movement, allowing you to clean anywhere without being tethered to an outlet. Its multi-surface capability means you can seamlessly transition from hard floors to carpets, making it a versatile cleaning solution for your entire home. The self-cleaning cycle is a fantastic feature, simplifying maintenance and ensuring the machine is always ready for the next mess. I love how this vacuum mops and vacuums at the same time. It significantly cuts down on cleaning time. The battery life is impressive, lasting long enough to clean my entire house on a single charge. The swivel steering makes it easy to maneuver around furniture and tight corners. Plus, the dirt tank is surprisingly large, meaning fewer trips to empty it. It's also relatively lightweight, making it comfortable to use for extended periods. Number 3. Bissell Crosswave Cordless Max 2554A. Introducing the ultimate cleaning companion. Vacuum and mop your floors simultaneously, or just vacuum powerfully. Enjoy up to 30 minutes of cordless freedom for a complete home clean. Effortlessly handle both wet and dry messes on various hard surfaces like tile, sealed wood, and laminate. It's even great for refreshing your area rugs. Cleaning up is a breeze with its self-cleaning mode that flushes debris and freshens the brush roll. Plus, the 2-tank technology ensures clean and dirty water always stay separate. Stay connected with helpful alerts, maintenance tracking, and usage tips via the Bissell Connect app. Reordering supplies is also simplified with Amazon Dash replenishment. Achieve a truly hygienic clean. This device, along with the included hard floor sanitize formula, cleans and sanitizes sealed hard floors, eliminating 99.9% of bacteria. What we like? Enjoy up to 30 minutes of cordless cleaning freedom with this versatile combo. If you want to sanitize your sealed hard floors and appreciate smart home integration, its app connectivity for alerts and reordering is a significant advantage. It's ideal for busy households seeking a deeper clean. What people say. It does vacuuming and mopping simultaneously. You can clean up a spilled bowl of cereal, for example, with just this one device. This vacuum is very convenient because it handles both vacuuming and mopping in one step. It feels well built and easy to maneuver, even in tighter spaces. It's so light to move around. Very easy to clean, and my tile floors have never looked so clean and shiny. I love that it vacuums as well as wet cleans. Number 2. Bissell Crosswave Vacuum Replacement Brush Roller and Filters. Ensure your vacuum cleaner performs at its best with our premium replacement brush rollers and filters. Designed for optimal cleaning, they'll help maintain a spotless home. These parts are specifically engineered to fit your Bissell Crosswave vacuum, excluding the Max series. Please verify your model and part number for a perfect match. Crafted with high-quality microfiber and nylon, these brush rolls effectively clean various floor types, including tile, sealed wood, and laminate, without causing damage. This set includes multiple brush replacements and filters, along with a cleaning tool. They are designed to capture fine debris, hair, and dirt, improving your home's air quality. Replacing these parts is quick and easy, requiring no tools. For optimal performance, we recommend replacing them every 3 to 6 months, depending on usage. Our products are made from durable materials and undergo rigorous testing to meet OEM standards. Enjoy a worry-free purchase with our satisfaction guarantee. What we like? This is a value pack of replacement brush rollers and filters designed for specific Bissell Crosswave models. If you own a compatible model and want to maintain optimal cleaning performance at a reasonable price, this set is a practical choice. It ensures your machine continues to capture fine dirt and debris effectively. What people say. The rollers are high quality and snap into place easily. They clean just as effectively as the original ones that came with the machine, great at picking up pet hair, dust, and everyday messes on both rugs and hard floors. The filters also fit snugly, and I love that the set includes 3 of each, great value for the price. It even came with a little cleaning tool, which makes maintenance so much easier and more efficient. I like that it is self-cleaning, appreciate the fact there is a hook and brush for cleaning the brush roll, the fact there is 3 brush rolls, and 3 HEPA filters. Number 1. Bissell Crosswave X7 Cordless Pet Pro. Introducing the Bissell Crosswave X7 Cordless Pet Pro, designed for pet parents. Save time by vacuuming and washing simultaneously across multiple surfaces. Experience up to 30 minutes of cordless run time with its powerful digital motor. This machine offers grab-and-go convenience. Tackle stubborn pet messes with the Turbo Pet mode. It provides a boost of suction and cleaning solution for tough, stuck-on debris. Keep your home smelling fresh with our pet multi-surface formula. It effectively eliminates pet odors on sealed hard floors. Weighing just over 10.5 pounds, it's ultra-lightweight for easy maneuverability. Enjoy effortless cleaning throughout your home. This versatile cleaner is safe and effective on various surfaces, including tile, sealed wood floors, laminate, and even area rugs. What we like? This cordless vacuum is specifically designed for pet owners, offering powerful cleaning with a dedicated Turbo Pet mode. If you're looking for a lightweight yet effective solution to tackle stubborn pet messes and odors on multiple surfaces, its convenience and specialized features make it a top contender. It provides grab-and-go ease for frequent cleanups. What people say. Vacuums and mops at the same time. Dirty tank is dirty, so it's working well. Pretty lightweight and no cord is great. Very easy to clean manually. User-friendly. Easy to set up and figure out. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.